So I wanted to shoot a quick video on a issue I was having with my Club Car Precedent. It's a 2010 Club Car Precedent, and the issue I was having was the accelerator pedal. When I would push down on the pedal, I would get a hesitation sometimes, as I was getting up towards the top end speed, and from there I would lose power, and the accelerator would seem like it would hesitate, and I would go from 17 miles an hour down to 14 miles an hour, and you can kind of feel the cutout, like an electrical current cutout that was going back to the motor. So what I have here is my MCOR 2 from the cart, and did some research and found this is probably going to be my problem. This is what it looks like. This is where the pedal shaft will come in here and turn it in order to send the electric current back to the motor. So what I found was inside the circuit board, and you can see on the circuit board here, this little piece, these metal tabs here will ride within this circuit here, and you can, I don't know if you can see the close-up, there's a groove worn out in there. So as this thing is turning and it's moving back and forth here with the pedal, this metal piece here is making contact with these metal strips. So in the inside there, you can see how the worn groove, and that would make complete sense of why I was having that power failure. That current was getting cut out. So I replaced this on the Club Car with a newer aftermarket model. I'm gonna see how that holds up, but it has fixed the problem, and I no longer have the hesitation issue. So thanks guys for watching. Like and subscribe, and comment if y'all have any questions.